Hello everyone! For this video, we will learn how to cook egg sticks. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. Crack an egg in a stainless steel bowl or any steamer-safe containers. After, add some salt. Oops, I'm sorry about that. Then, also add some pepper. Then beat the egg. This part is optional. If you want your egg sticks to have some cheese inside, you can add cheese. For this video, I'm adding some cheese since I am a cheese lover. When it is finally done, cover it with aluminum foil and steam it for 8 to 10 minutes. While waiting, prepare flour, breadcrumbs, and egg in a bowl. Release the egg from its container. So here's a tip. If you are using a stainless steel bowl, you can put wax paper in the container so that the egg will not stick to the container. So here is it. The next thing you have to do is to slice the egg in your desired size. After that, coat the egg with flour. Then dip it in the egg. And after, coat it with breadcrumbs. Fry the egg sticks in a pan. Make sure to cook each side. While waiting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. When it is already golden brown, release it from the pan and drain it in a strainer to remove excess oil. Or you can also use a table napkin. Tada! We have made some egg sticks. Serve it and enjoy!